with Siegfried's Motorworks here today, giving you a walk around video. This is an update video. This unit we have had for sale. This is a consignment unit. A couple bought 2 bikes from us and ended up getting rid of their Rebel. A couple of things they did here just recent to increase the chances of this thing selling faster. Price is now dropped to $1,800. In addition, we are including a 6-month unlimited mile warranty on this one. We did just add brand new rider and passenger seats, as well as remove the windshield, and also we got rid of the saddlebags on this one. So just going to go around it again just to point out any kind of damage on it so you guys can see exactly what we're looking at here. Front fender does have a little scuff here. Other than that, little scuff there. Generally in pretty nice condition. Coming around the sides here, I'm just going to back my camera off. Coming around the sides here, there's a small dent on the gas tank. The motor just needs a little TLC, and that thing will be shining up. And that thing will be shining up like it was new. Paint on this cover is in real nice shape. Overall, the condition of the gas tank is good, other than that small dent. This one does have 9,499 miles on it. Master cylinder's nice, mirror stems are nice. Everything up here is actually in really nice shape. Brand new seats. Also, too, here coming back through, this chrome's in decent shape. A little bit of TLC, it could shine again. A little bit of rust there. Again, TLC. You get yourself a Scotch-Brite pad and a little bit of polish, and this thing will look like brand new in a matter of an hour or two. Come back here. The rear fender's in nice shape. A couple little scratches, nothing major. Underneath here, again, paint's in nice shape. The rear wheel does have a little bit of surface rust on it. This is just from sitting. Now, again, Scotch-Brite pad and a little bit of polish. This thing will look brand new. Rear muffler's in good shape. Overall here too, a little bit of scuff there. That's common. A lot of people's legs hit that spot there. Again, on this side of the motor, a little bit of TLC, a little bit of spray paint. This thing could be looking brand new within an hour or two of your time. Again, this one is for sale at www.smwx717.com. If you're interested, shoot us an offer. The people that have this one are motivated to sell. And again, if you can, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think of this 2005 Honda Rebel 250.